Celine sayang, I want to sleep now, okay? I want to say goodnight to you, my dear wife Celine Tamshikwan. I love you, I miss you. Okay, sayang Celine. Celine sayang, sayang Celine. Okay, Celine sayang, good night, okay? Have a sweet dream, okay? Okay, sayang, I miss you, I want you. I miss you, oh sayang. Miss you, oh. Bye. Good night.